Swag, swag. Chico, paw, paw. Good boy. Hello, this is the bike check of the Vietnamese boy. Hello, I'm the Vietnamese boy. I'm very bored right now, so I have to do the bicycle checky. What are you doing, boy? Let me start off on the top for you. Okay, this is the sassy one, the ODI. You know, the ODI bar is very strong, like the nail glue at the nail salon. And I got the handlebar, Federal 2020. Yummy, yummy. The sassy Odyssey. I had the Boule I got from my nail machine. And over here, I got the S&M light for it. Get this out of here, boy. Okay, and I got the... Sorry for the interruption, but the boy got into my way. Okay, back to the bicycle. No, boy, don't say nothing, boy. Over here, I got the...
You're weird, Jesus.
S&M.
Weird.
The light Ford, very light. You know, I pick it up. It's actually real heavy. I don't know why they call it a light, but it's very strong one. The MK Tresse guard, hub guard. Yeah, you know, I'm rocking that stock nitrous double shot. But it's okay though. I'm about to get I got the N4 upstairs, and I got the Alien 90, get the Smokey, you know, put together like the nails. Shadow Conspiracy is very, very, very nice, very good. I got the sassy. Nah, it's not sassy. It's like the black girl, the big one, the heavy one. You know, it's the Miracle Icon Moto 2009 E-Clap plastic pedal. Stock cranks, stock sprocket, KMC chain. Okay, and I got the sassy, very little one, you know, same one as the front one, but very sassy. I got the Haro cassette. It's very good, but this rim, no good. Hey, fat boy, move. Anyway, I don't have the hugger. I don't know why. I'm so stupid. I try to think that this is very good because you know the gap right here, but I'm so stupid when I grind. Where is it? Right here. Đúng mẹ cắt này. It's the broken spoke. I got the broken spoke one. And I got the Odyssey C-clamp right here, and the Animal Pivotal, the McNeil C. Very nice, very nice. I got the Hello Kitty right there. I don't know if you can see. Let me zoom in for you in a second. Right there, they're very sassy. But the black guy, he wanted, so he tried to steal, but he failed. He do the unsuccessful, like the typical black guy. It messed up right there though. See? Stupid black guy, the wrong one. Excuse me, but I let the whoa. It's so dirty though. Dirty. Oh, I need the manicure. What you laughing at, boy? Okay, that's just my bike. Okay, boy. I get the new one in like 2 weeks though, boy. Okay, sassy.
Shawty, I just got a call and I heard that you be doing shit. And if it's true, I'm telling you I'm tired of the bullshit. I'm on the top, girl, I think I deserve more. And so I'm packing up my shit, I'm out the door. I take a trip on Monday, come back Sunday. Walk up in the club and she already know the ones.